Hi there, my name's Paddy and I'm here to bring you an important message from SmartAir. Over the past few years, we've seen an increasing number of people who need to not only filter out the air that they breathe, but also the sounds that they hear. That's why at SmartAir, for the past several months, our dedicated team of engineers have been working hard behind the scenes to bring to you a new product. Let me introduce to you the SmartEar headphones. The SmartEar headphones are a range of foldable headphones containing two high-grade quality HEPA filters that can filter out 99.5% of all pollutants. And when I say all pollutants, I mean all pollutants, not just particulate pollutants that we breathe, but also noise pollution that we hear. Do you have a noisy partner, screaming kid, or annoying colleague? Put on your SmartEar headphones today to filter out those sounds. SmartEar headphones filter out 99.95% of all unwanted sounds to give you a peaceful, blissful life. They retail today from just $9.99, and you can pick them up from smartairfilters.com to give yourself a peaceful and relaxing April Fools.